landscape has been evolving from an interesting way. We have seen an increase, a massive increase in green bond issuance, and the characteristic is of them, it's a high degree of transparency and accountability in terms not only of the use of proceeds, but also the reporting. Um, what we have seen also, it's issuance in terms of sustainability bonds, which are used and issued to fund projects with environmental and social benefits. They can be used for companies that don't have enough eligible green or social asset financing needs to be able to issue a green bond or a social bond, so they can choose in which domain they will use the proceeds. Then we have the social bonds, which are issued to fund projects with social benefits and which are defined according to the ICMA social bond principles. And they have been also used massively, aiming to address the COVID-19 crisis. What we also have seen, and the most interesting part the last couple of months, is the issuance of sustainability-linked bonds, those where the coupon is linked to predefined sustainability issuer metrics. So the instrument can be used for general corporate purposes. Difference with the green bonds, which there it's use of proceeds for particular assets, but they need to be linked to specific ESG metrics. So we call them, or the key KPI, key performance indicator. The growth of sustainability-linked bonds has been massive, and mainly it has been pushed by two main events. First one was the publication back in June 2020 of the ICMA Sustainability Linked Bond Principles. And then in September 2020, when the ECB announced that it was saying that it was going to make the sustainability linked bonds eligible for the asset purchases and also to be used as collateral as from 1st January 2021. So this has push the asset class and increase the issuance the last couple of months. Of course, there are some skepticism towards sustainability-linked bonds on how the proceeds are used, whether sustainability metric targets are ambitious or not, and also the fact of how to track the sustainability pledges from an investor point of view. But companies have been given confidence that they are delivering on those sustainable targets, and how they can do it. It's by efforts also given by non-profit organizations like the Science-Based Target Initiatives, or also the verification by independent assessor companies, or increasing the penalty coupon step up if they don't reach those objectives. And what we do see and expect in the coming months in terms of issuance is that green bonds will still increase in size, but sustainability linked bonds will become more and more important in terms of size within the different type of issues.